Yeah.
So this is the lab assessment 2 for microprocessor and microcontroller subject. And I am Harsh Kumar Mangrolia, 19BCT 0152, and I'll do the algorithm part.
Hi, this is Smith Gore. My registration number is 19BCD 0103, and I'm going to explain the code part.
Okay. Hello. My name is Savani Rajdeep, and registration number is 19BCT 0100, and I will explain about the output of the code for the both of the code.
Hello, this is Nikhil, and my registration number is 19BCT 0209, and I'm explaining about mount and edit and link part.
Okay. So this is the DOS. First, you have to install the DOSBox in your PC, and this is the DOSBox window.
Um, Now we have to mount the whole directory, is 8086 directory. Then we have to change the directory into C code. For we can create ASM file or we can edit the ASM file which is already exist.
Then in the program, we are doing changing the location of the string using assembly code program. So algorithm for it will be first we will load the data into AX register. Then we will load the value of AX register into DS register using move command. Then we will do the same with AX register value with in move in ES register. Then we will load both the addresses of string 1 and string 2 into SI and DI accordingly. And then we will load a value 05 into CX register. And then at last we will set the direction of flag to 0. And then we will transfer the all data from source memory to location to destination memory location.
In the starting of the code, we are in data segment. We are declaring the string one with initializing the value with the micro, with a length of 5, and then initializing the second string 2 with the 5 address space, and that address space we initialize with 0. Here dup of 0 means duplicate 0, so that space will be occupied by 0. And the start of the program, we move the all data to the AX register, and also from AX register we move the data to the DS and ES register. LEA means load effective address. We will load effective address of string 1 into SI, which is a source instruction, and load the effective address of string 2 into destination instruction. And then we have micro with length 5, so we initialize the value of CL with 5, and then we set the direction flag is equal to 0. Now we'll repeat the move SB command 5 times until CX becomes 0, and this move SB will store the string 1 into string 1 into DI register, and then your code ends.
Okay, this is the code file, and we have to save and exit from that file.
Now we have to link obj file to ASM file by giving this command, which is ers.obj .obj extension.
We execute that command, and zero error is coming, so no error in the code. And now we are linking that file to that.
Sure,
debug.exe will execute the R file and show the output.
By debugging this file after giving the instruction is executing instruction by instruction, means after one by one line. Okay, the first instruction is executing here. The data will move to the AX register and it is 076A. Okay, after that instruction that uh, move the data from the AX register to the DX register. So previous DX register data was 075A, and now it will the DX register copy the data from the AX register, which is 076A. Okay, after that. ES register means extra segment register also copy that extra segment also copy that data from the AX register. Okay, after that SI means source index will assign to the 0, and destination address is assigned to the number 5, because we have to copy the string 1 from 0 to 4 location, and we have to copy that string to 5 to 10 location in that register. Okay, so the destination index is 05. Basically we can start that uh, start copying this duplicate string from index of 0. So it is destination index. After that after we after yeah after CX register is basically contains the length of the means means CX register is work as a count variable, and it is containing the length of the string which we give there to the string 1. Okay, after that CLT command will declare direction flag to the 0, and this command will move the data uh, from source registration source index to destination index. So here we can see that micro that is string micro, it is stored in that this direction. In this 4D, 494352 and 4F. This is the micro string representation at here. And after transferring the first string to the location 5, it is becoming the 4D after the 4F, because it is M from the micro, and you can see here also the micro, and the fifth location M is copied, which is zeroth location from at data segment. One more execution, it will copy the second word from that everything. Yeah, you can see here copied from the second location and transferred to that location. Okay, after one also step by step we can see that one by one a word is copying from a previous string to the a new location. Here the R, which is third third word, it is also copied, and just one last word is in here. Although this string is copied from 0 to 4 location to 5th to 10 location. That is how the code is working from copying one string to the one location to the other location. And code ends.